right, welcome to September 2nd stream. Hopefully we see throwbacks on. Both of us are here this morning.
Good morning, everyone.
A little bit later, but let's get some trading ideas done. Oh yeah, throwbacks is already here.
Damn, our boys throwbacks. Your team won. Congratulations.
Yeah, man, might have to make you a mod when we launch. Control the chat room and everything. Do we see throwbacks on? Let me turn the music down a little bit. Yeah, good morning, throwbacks. How you doing? Okay, let's do this. Let me get this analysis done on gold real
Share your
quick.
screen, please.
Oh yeah, I forgot to do that. Damn. Okay, give me 1
I
second.
just want to see what you're seeing.
Share screen and zoom. Oh, we good.
Nice.
Let's do this. Let's go monthly down on gold. So we have a bullish candle, a doji candle. This month has just started, so no real direction monthly. Weekly, there's this liquidity zone over here. And the area up here where it might test eventually. Last week, there was a bullish candle. Kind of grabbed liquidity, pushed up. This week started going higher, then went down. The news was also bad for today. So now we get down to here. We have this liquidity zone here. We could kind of sharpen it a little bit. This is the upper liquidity zone on the weekly. Here is a resistance on the daily right here. To be honest, it's kind of like in a wedge right now too. Like I had the wedge going. I had the wedge going here yesterday, yeah. But since it's failed to break, it failed to break this high, so it made like a lower high from that point. Anything can really happen. We also have like a wick to fill now on a Wednesday, so we'll see how that goes. I'm still bullish on it, but obviously, considering what happened yesterday, short side's always available there too. 4 hourly. Yeah, 4 hourly made a lower high from this point. It's reached the support here, so honestly, we're gonna have to gauge it. Can't really have any cowboy entries because last time I had a cowboy entry yesterday. It just didn't turn out so well. I'm bullish, no real trade. I think the trade might be like above these candlestick wicks, or honestly, if it starts going below, then below the body or below this candlestick. So I think I'll just wait for those. But within this range, I don't see no trade at the moment. And I think I'll leave it at that. I am bullish on it though, but I'm always bullish on gold. But I want to, like yesterday, this was a good opportunity for the short side yesterday. So even on this one, if it continues to drop and it continues to drop down to like the bottom end of the wedge, that's a good opportunity on the short side too. But obviously, if it goes above, especially with bad news, ADP non-farm employment change was bad news. It's about what, 800,000 less. So yeah, I think we'll have to wait and see if the market absorbs that information. Gold is dangerous, but I like it. Oh, how about them golden nugget? Yo, that Nuggets Utah game was sick. That series was actually pretty fucking sick to watch.
Yeah, it was a low-scoring game, so that
Yeah,
means you know that these guys are locked down for defense.
yeah, they were turning it up.
Yeah, but
But yeah, that's it for gold. I don't have much else. I'll leave all the lines and stuff there. For euro, bullish monthly. Right now, it opened the new month. Pushed up higher, then pushed lower. Same with weekly. Pushed up higher, pushed lower. Yesterday we had that bearish liquidity grab, and now today it's continuation of the bearish move as
yeah,
well. This 4-hourly is forming like a doji right at the moment. We got about 18 minutes left for that. This hour candle, grab liquidity, push lower. And if we see
we'll
how
see how that's gonna close.
we'll see how it's gonna close. For the shorts, I think Chan was saying that he had the sell stops below the which wick?
Yeah, I have my sell stops at 1844 too. So I think that if it pushes down again, because right now, right now we have this retest right here.
Oh, sorry.
There you go. That's all good. If it pushes down, then it's tapped into this supply area, and it's gonna head down. The one thing also is that I know that we're long biased on Euro USD, but anytime when you hear the news, for me anyways, like news yesterday came out that US is at an all-time 2-year low.
Yeah.
Yeah, and what happened? It's obviously US is kind of rebounding. There's always the contrarian buyers of the US dollar.
Yeah.
You know what I'm trying to say. So I mean, I don't know how long it's gonna last, but I mean, I hope it lasts more than 10 pips.
Well, the thing with foreign exchange that I found out is like it moves up and down pretty nice. So even with this sell-off, like yeah, you might get that up move, which will cause euro to go down. And you're right, there are buys in the US dollar too. So
yeah,
just never know when they're gonna come into play.
But I mean, looking at the intraday chart, it's been bearish, and I don't know. Like, what I'm thinking is that once the U.S. markets open, that's gonna push it and continue. But we'll see. I mean, if it doesn't go down there and doesn't hit my orders, I really don't care. Because my orders are not hit, but who knows, right? But the one thing also I want to point out is that if you look at, like, let's see here, what's good. If you look at the 30-minute chart here, you have, where is it? Higher, low. I mean, no, lower, high, lower, high, lower, high. So then, if it does break kind of this zone right now, I think that's going to be the next push down. And we always try to look to the left, right? And to the left, we see here, which is clear traffic until
down here, I'm guessing.
Yeah.
180, yeah, 118.20. Like even the 10-20 pips around this area is still pretty good.
Yeah.
But yeah, I was gonna mention that when you're doing analysis, it's like there is pretty clean traffic down to this area.
Yeah, so that's my hope that if it does test the lows there, because then like this hour, if this closes right now, well, we have 15 more minutes. That means from a bullish, it turned back to a bearish, right?
Yeah.
So then your next expectation is that, hey, then we're gonna have another bearish candlestick, right? After that, like liquidity grab in the sense. So then, yeah, and that move could be another 10 more pips.
Yeah. It's like,
or probably more, but 10 pips is like the safe bet.
Straight continuation, right?
Yeah. But we'll see. We're just chilling right now, just watching the markets, sitting on our hands. My favorite thing to not do, but it is something that you need to do. Yeah, that's my whole gist. I'll clear the screen. But yeah, I'm just gonna wait and chill.
I'll say I might wait till like 7:30 to put in a trade. I feel like right now there is no trade, but when it breaks the levels, then yeah, there is a trade on both actually, Euro USD and gold. Yo, if the 30-minute breaks the previous 30-minute low, that'd be making, so like this 6 o'clock candlestick,
Yeah,
wouldn't that be making this hour bearish?
it's already bearish. I mean, no, it's actually green now, but it was bearish.
Yeah. That'll be interesting.
No, but what were you saying?
Like if this 30-minute breaks the previous 30-minute, like the open is over here. It's been like tapping into there, but if it breaks below this wick, wouldn't it in theory head down lower? Or
Yeah.
I think the safest one's below this wick actually, not this one. Never mind.
Yeah. Though, I totally agree with that. Like, if it does break below, like, typically, your entries, if you put it below the hour candlestick, would be another good one. But, I mean, just kind of like a safer one is if it breaks the previous low.
Yeah.
Because that's already retested. And plus, like we mentioned when we look to the left, that's clean traffic.
Yeah, I remember that. So
I just want to be in and out quick. 5 minutes. Those are my favorite trades. Whether they be winners or losers, 5 minutes.
Those are the best, man.
Because the ones that are like 10, 15, 20 minutes, like, the odds are just like
stacked against you.
And lower.
Dude, the other thing is, I was watching Raj's story yesterday, and he's like, he just traded for like 5 minutes and made his profit. And that's it. Like within 2 hours, all he does is like 5 minutes and nothing else.
Trust, 100%, man. Like, that's what I'm trying to do with QQQ, man. Like, honest.
Yeah.
Like, just so like that is the best feeling, putting the trade in, then going making coffee and saying alert, and then hearing it and just running back in the room. Nice. Set the order in and just dip. But I was windy gust. Oh yeah. But of course, with that being said, though, the guy waits 2 hours for that 5-minute trade. So
that's pretty good.
Man, I really want to get into the Ant Group Financial IPO, man. Apparently, it's to be valuing it at $224 billion after it opens in Hong Kong and Shanghai. And Shanghai. They're doing an IPO on 2 different markets.
Yeah. Wow.
But it's a value of them roughly around $224 billion, which makes them the 4th biggest financial company.
That's pretty sick, man.
Yeah. But I mean, dude, apparently they process like over like, how much is Ant Financial? It's a couple $1 trillion. It's insane. $7.6 trillion online payment market. Wait, is it? Yeah. Wow. So they. Okay, so this article is from 2017. They process 250,000 transactions per second, over 60 billion transactions a year.
Wow, yo, that's fucking fast.
Like, that's, wow.
So I'm guessing they're the leader in China for that, or like one of the top 3 or 5.
Like, their Alipay is insane, yo. Let's see here. Market watch. Jack Ma still making money after stepping down.
Jack Ma still making money after stepping down at Alibaba.
Yeah.
But he still has stock in it, right? Or still has like a...
Well, he still has a bunch of stock, but he wants to do other things, is what you say.
Yeah, fair enough. I feel like a lot of people do that. They make their wealth off one business and kind of go be like a philanthropist or entrepreneur in another business they want to do, like Elon Musk from PayPal to all this clean energy, space travel, all these other ideas he got going on.
Holy smokes. China has seen explosive growth in mobile payments over the past 5 years. Transaction volume reached 277.4 trillion yuan, which equals 41.51 trillion US dollars in 2018, up more than 28 times from 5 years ago, according to the People's Bank of China. Then I'm going to take that with a grain of salt, but that's still fat. 41.51 trillion. Just taking like 0.001% is fat enough.
Yeah, that
On
is.
$1 trillion, like, yeah, but that's like 41 trillion. Like, man, I really see. This is the thing, like interactive brokers. Should I? I've been hearing great things about interactive brokers.
IB is pretty solid, man. And if it's like swing trading, you don't really need to put that minimum of 25K.
I mean, even if I'm day trading, I think it was like 30 grand.
Yeah, if you're day trading, it's 25 grand minimum at all times in the account. So you need like 30 grand as a buffer.
Yeah, which is fine. Let's just see commissions. What? Oh, U.S. residents. Okay, never mind. 0 commission trading for U.S. listed stocks. Like, are you serious? And ETFs. What? Canadians can open an account, I'm pretty sure.
Canadians can open an account? Yeah, pretty sure they can. Yeah, they can, man. Because remember, you used to have one? Swing trading?
Yeah.
Damn, I was tripping. Fucking. I was sitting down, and all of a sudden I heard like a big ass like wind sound. I was like, God damn, what the fuck was that?
5 minutes ago. What happened?
No, it was just big ass wind sound, and all these trees started to like wave. I was like, damn, it's windy as hell right now. I expect the ball today.
Oh my god, your gateway to the world's market. Invest globally in stocks, options, and future currency bonds. 135 markets, 33 countries, and 23 currencies. Convert currencies at market determined rates as low as 1/10 of a basis point. Huh. Let's look at tier.
Oh yeah, wind gusts up to like 60 kilometers an hour for the next 4 or 5 hours.
Yeah.
Until like 2 p.m. Then it starts coming down a bit. That's pretty fucking big.
That's tough. Holy. So there's that's interesting. So IB commission per share, so US stocks ETFs, it's 1/3 of a cent. Minimum per order is 35 cents per an order.
Mm-hmm.
And then maximum per an order is 1% of trade value. That's fat if it's 1% trade value.
That is pretty fat.
But I guess it's 3 different tiers, but I guess it makes sense if you're trading like penny stocks.
Yeah, it does.
1% doesn't really matter to you, but if you're trading like U.S. stocks and stuff, I think that's tiered. I think that's how it works. But then it's awesome. It's commission-free ETFs.
Yeah, and I mean that's pretty solid. You could just like scale into like QQQ if you're day trading or whatnot too, right?
What's number 4? No exchange, clearing, or transaction fees charged. Are you serious? Yeah, I think I might. where are you a resident at? U.S., Canada, or Hong Kong? Nice. Where do you want to trade? I don't want to trade China and Hong Kong, honestly. Singapore too, or maybe Hong Kong and Singapore. I might as well throw China to select the products.
Yo, this is so sick. I found this on Weather Network, so I've been quiet. After I checked the weather, it's like you can find out how your city looked like 100 million years ago.
Yeah.
So I was just like fucking playing around with this. Here, I'll pull it up. So this is how it looks like 170 million years ago.
Damn.
That's Calgary right over here. Then you can go to
So
like
that's so cool. So we were underwater.
yeah, exactly. So even like
That's where we have oil and gas.
400 million years ago, it's still underwater.
Yeah.
And I guess like Earth's temperatures start to rise because that's when it started to come out.
Yeah.
Like if you go like 90 million years ago, you can probably see it coming up. Yeah, you see it coming up here. Damn, that's crazy. I'm gonna play around with that a little bit more, but you do your interactive brokers thing.
Yeah, no,
Watching
I'm
gold.
actually just opening an account, man.
Are you gonna transfer it from like question to interactive?
Yeah, I just want to see how much. I need to figure out what's the minimum. Like I already know the price. I wonder how much their market data is. That's one thing I need.
Hold up, Throwbacks is asking, is there a Twitter or something I could send you my charts, Brody, to exam in your DM? I'm learning the ICT strategy. You could send your charts on the YouTube channel, and we could take a look at it. What are you using to send your charts? Or are you just taking a screenshot? Because what we recommend doing is if you go to tradingview.com, that's what we use. Right, you go to tradingview.com. It's loading up right now. I'll give it a second. I have to exit this world Earth thing. There we go. So if you click one of the charts, and then you have this chart pop up, just go to this camera right over here, and when you click this camera, save image, and these last few letters, if you send us these letters, I'll use TradingView, got your templates and stuff set up. Yeah, perfect. So send these last few letters. If you copy that, put it in the chat right here, that'll show up. And then yeah, send us that.
Yeah. I just sent like the chart on our chat too, or my chart on EURUSD.
Yeah, I saw that. So like what Kyle did, he just sent the full chart. But if you send us the letters too,
yeah,
that works.
Either or works.
Yeah, either or works.
Oh.
It's the hour closed there.
Cool. It closed bullish, so I guess we'll see from like lower time frame and see if it does anything. Because then if it doesn't break down, then it's gonna break back up, and that's 10 pips.
Yeah, like if it breaks this level over here, or you're gonna get like the cowboy over here. Nah.
Like, yeah, you can honestly put, I think, a buy stop at like 1860. I'm not saying to do it, but you could. If you're trying to play the range now, since it's entered and consolidating in a range, if it doesn't break down lower at like 1862.
Yeah, that's true actually. Then your stop's pretty tight. Yeah, 10 pip. But
yeah, 62. Your stop's 52.
But that's with anticipation. It'll break the highs, right?
Yeah. Or at least go to the highs. Because if you enter at 62, your TP's at 72. So you at least mitigate having to hopefully get going and making a triple top, if anything.
I might try that with gold too, depending how it closes. But I see your point on that.
Yeah, this typically at least like these tops give you a target.
Yeah, they do.
And I mean, the best thing is it doesn't go to the target; it's below the target, because we all know markets are kind of fun when they don't want to do your thing. Okay, $2,000 USD. Okay. Oh my god, it's cheap. $10 for US security snapshot and futures value. Commissions generated. Yes. Okay, yeah, I'll definitely generate $60. Show all. Foreign exchange indices not available. Are you serious? It's 10 professional US securities 10. Dude, their bundle is so cheap. Are you serious? Non-pro fee is $4.50. Wow, NASDAQ. Euro. Wow, that's cool. I don't think I need other, like, if I was going to sign with Interactive Brokers, right? I don't think I need any of their data packages, because honest to God, I'm just going to, for those, I'm investing.
Yeah.
Like, if I was going to buy Alipay or, the Ant Financial, I'm just holding that for dear life.
Yeah. So if you're just investing, you don't really need those packages at all. So
I just need NASDAQ, new NYSE. But it's cheap. Is there's obviously how do you determine if you're professional subscription to a non-pro?
I'll have to look into it too. I thought Interactive would be. Maybe send them an email about it or give them a call.
Yeah. Services, pricing, market data, other fees, commissions. Yeah, the commissions is interesting because you have the overview, and then you have what's fixed. Spot currency. Let's look at theirs. Are you serious, bro?
What?
Oh my goodness.
Spread's fat on them, right?
No, man.
Oh, spot currencies, really? What's it?
The minimum per order is $2, and that's anything less than $1 billion.
Okay.
But that's not bad. Example. Let's see. Example. 10. Oh yeah, that's not bad. 10,000 USD euros. So that's what we're trading right now. So
basically, that's $2.
One bot.
But what's a spread?
That's good. Tight spread. Okay. It passes the prices. Okay, low commissions. Yeah, what is the spread? It doesn't say. Because 100,000 USD euro is USD $2.
Yeah.
So how much are we getting charged right now? We did one lot.
One
Oh, it's
lot,
$6.
$6. Yeah.
But yeah, let's see what their spread is. What?
I'll be right back.
$1.2. That's not bad. Yeah, 10-minute looks good. 15-second close in 5. So if we look at your USD, the 10-minute just closed below my zone here. Closed at 1853. So it's looking like it's ahead and pushed down a little bit more. So in 6-7 more pips, my short on Euro USD will be hit. But kind of, yeah, we had that liquidity grab in the early morning at around 610. That's the result of news. But like I said, I think USD, since it's at a 2-year low, we have the contrarian buyers that are buying USD dollar. I mean, Euro's had a great run up since, was it, May. It's ran up about 1,000 pips, which is 10 cents on the exchange, which is quite a bit. Especially Euro USD is one of the most heavily traded pairs in the Forex market. $0.2 is not bad though. It's $2 on that. It's not bad at all. USD calculate approximate. Okay, and how about T? That makes sense. All right, well, let's talk about some news, but I always like to start off my day.
Ooh, shit. It's a quick alert.
What's an alert? Nice. Here's the motivation quote for today. Take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live.
It's true.
It is true. It is true. Oh, I just sent on the YouTube chat. I sent you their spread. And the spread is right now. Where is it? Oh,
Wow. That's sick.
yeah, points. So it's basically the same spread as us. They use 17 big brokerages, and they charge $2 on 100 grand.
Wow.
But the one thing I'm worried is that the reason why, like, you know how Alberta, especially Alberta, the laws for Forex trading are pretty whack.
Yeah,
Or actually, in Canada, you have to be a credit investor. So I think that might be a crappy thing. That's why, you know, yeah, we're stuck with Blackpool. But stocks, though, I'm going to send them an email.
What gold spread?
No idea. That would be more on the metals.
Yeah, it would be metals.
I do not have an account. Let's go. Email.com. So I was just saying that if you look at the 10-minute also on EURUSD, the previous 10 minutes, so the 7 o'clock 10-minute candlestick closed below my zone at 52.6. So I think there's going to be a push down.
I think so too, to be honest, even on gold, but
yeah.
My enter on EURUSD, it seems safer today.
Yeah, so I mean the sell stuff's still there. I just hope it's a quick, like we're heading to the 7:30, so push up liquidity. So I hope it's just quick execution. I'm done.
Let's watch that. Yeah, I just saw the interactive brokers. Honestly, if I get enough, I think I might. I was always thinking like interactive, you could have it all on one platform, stocks, everything.
Yeah.
So I think eventually I want to get to that too. I was reading on it.
What is the minimum deposit? So there is no minimum deposit to open a cash. Okay, margin minimum deposit requirement is $2,000 USD for US resident and or a non-US resident.
Dude, the euro broke the previous hour.
Yeah.
Might enter actually.
If you open a margin account with less than $25,000, you would be limited to 4 day trades in a rolling 5-day span. Okay.
Yeah, I just entered a short on euro.
Nice.
It broke the previous hour. So if we go to the hour, it broke the previous hour low. So I was like, yo, yeah, there we go. Put my stop above here. Are you in it too? Or you have a sell stop?
I'm just waiting for it to hit my order.
What price did I get in it? I got in around 50, yeah, 50, a little bit above 50.
Nice, so you're almost out.
No, not yet. But yeah, it broke the previous low too.
Come on, push down, buddy.
Yeah, just the 10 pips here, and then it's good. Did you get hit?
Yeah, I got hit. I just hope I don't get fucking shaken out.
Well, in reality, the stop is going to be above this 30-minute candle. But in most cases, when it forms like this, especially like on a bearish day today too, it should continue. At least here by the end of the day. That's what I'm thinking. Whatever that is. 20.
Buddy.
Let's go, buddy.
Show me the money, buddy. So it's still 25 grand. US. Okay.
Damn, Throwbacks is about to send us a first chart. But yeah, no, well, what about for Alberta specific too, right?
No, it's just Canada.
Oh, just Canada specific?
Well, let's see here. What did it say? So, for non-US, oh, nice, there we go. US residents who are carrying, okay, a pattern day trader, a minimum deposit of $25,000 or non-USD equivalent is required by regulation. If you open a margin account with less than $25,000, you will be limited to 4-day trades in a rolling 5-day span.
Oh, okay.
That's exactly what Yuri was saying.
Yeah, so it's gonna be like it's a rolling 5 days. So if you put in like a trade today, let's say you put in 4 trades today, just hypothetical, then it resets it all next 5 days.
Yeah, so then it'd be next week.
Yeah, so but if you put like 3
or 5 days, it's not business days. It just says days.
Probably business days though.
Yeah,
that'd be weird over the weekend. Count those days, then you can just
enter. You know, one man can hold. Oh, nice. And it closed. Was a 5-minute close. That's a nice way of closing. And my retest now 49 again.
Yeah, 20-minute, 10-minute, they all look good.
Yeah.
I think I want to enter on gold, and I want to enter like a 10th of a position.
Yeah. Here's the retest. And we're probably looking at, what is this? So the 20-minute just opened. Yeah, so we're probably looking at the upper wick for
20-minute.
Actually, no, not 30-minute, but 20-minute, because we just opened a new 20-minute candlestick. 5-minute and 10-minute. Should be the upper wick. And then we should see a continuation as we head into 7:30, the final push.
Boom. You know what? How much risk is that? Yeah, I'll enter a 5th. Try to play my analysis.
Let's go. Come on, push down, buddy. Let's go. Let's go.
I entered a 5th on gold, and I'm out 10 pips on euro. I have a runner too, so I'll see how that runner goes. I did say that this area, I think we're gonna get to like 20s today, based off daily. So I think at 30, I'll get another 50% out. And then at like 25 area, I might just get all of it out. So.
Yeah, I just want my core position to be taken out so I can break even this trade and chill out.
Chill out. Look at interactive more. Might go on that.
I mean, interactive's nice, but it's gonna be hard, honestly, to like, because then I would have to transfer like my whole account.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
But the thing is, though, I don't know how long the transfers it takes, so I'm basically sitting on my hands for that whole time. If you feel what I mean.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
Come on, push, man. Just go.
I think the US dollar might be recovering a bit today or something.
I just wanted to like hit me out straight.
I got in at 58 on gold. I have my TP at 54. Wakefill. I have my stop at 62, so it's a 40 for 40 on a fifth of a position.
Yeah, that's nice.
But yeah, even Euro. So now I'm just chilling. And now I'm going to look at what Earth looked like 500 million years ago. Yo, throwbacks, we didn't get your chart if you want to resend it.
Yeah. He's busy at work too, so.
Oh yeah, he's busy at work.
Come on, let's see the hammer. Oh man. So where's your TP at?
For which one, gold or Euro?
Euro.
So it already hit TP because I had the 50 entry when it broke the hour low. So I got the 10 pips there, and then 30 is my next level, and then 25. So 50% at 30, and then 50% at 25.
So sorry, you got out already?
Yeah, my core I'm out.
Nice.
And then 30, and then 25 area. Yo, this Earth thing is so cool though. Holy.
Yeah. Man. Yeah. Should have waited.
Should have waited for what?
The retest. Because that's where the upper wick was at 46. Because then if I entered then, I should have just been watching and then put the orders.
Well, dude, to be honest, after the hour broke, I was like, wait a minute, I've seen the same story before.
Yeah.
That's why I was like, quickly enter, punched in, and then the momentum carried it down.
I just hate how it takes, like, it's taking a while to break down.
Yeah, it is. That was a 5 minute looks good though. I think it's about to break on this one. What do I mean by core position out? Okay, so throwbacks, we have this strategy. We can explain the strategy now. So we have a core position, which is like return on interest times one times, kind of like that. So we believe in runners and having a core position. Our core position is the scalp. So on Euro USD, it might be like 10, 15, 20 pips, depending how much it is, but that secures our profit, secures our bag. And then our runner is relative to our core position. So our runner is a position that we let run and let the trade keep taking it lower and lower or higher and higher. Because there's some times where, let me give an example. We might be on this trade right here on the long, right? But then we get all out maybe at this level right here. So we get our 10 pips, we get all out, but then we miss this move. And that's another, about 30, 40 pips on this move. So this whole move right here, we would only catch maybe like over here. Right? And so that's our core position now. And we have it relative to our account size. And
so
then
I'm out.
He's out.
I broke even the trade. Thank gosh. Yeah. No, I knew I should have, because you know how I always say initial breakdown and then it pulls back up and then enter?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. because if I entered at 46, right by like the previous wick, sorry for
Yeah,
interrupting. Yeah, that would have been a lot quicker than that. That was got my
yeah.
heart racing.
You were
I was
stressing,
closing
bro.
in at 7:30, so I was like, I want to get out before 7:30 hits.
You were stressing, but yo, even the 30-minute now it's finishing below. It looks good for like even to push lower, but we'll see. That's where the runner comes into play, right? Like even if you explain it on this trade, yeah, run secure the bag, right? Our core position basically secures the bag, gives us like profit and makes sure we have profit. And our runner, it either runs and goes our way or it goes break even, but there's no loss on the runner.
Yeah.
So either way, the philosophy is to secure the bag and secure profit on the trade.
Yeah, I'm so glad it hit me out, man. Because when I saw the 5-minute term bullish right now, I'm just like, that's whack. But I mean, the thing is, runner covered the commissions as well, which is 0.6 pips. But yeah, kind of on what Simmer says, we only go for one.
Yeah, exactly.
Because typically trades are, if it's more than 50, if you're more than 50% correct on most of your calls, then in the long run you're gonna get it.
Yeah, exactly.
And
like
plus the runners, like we've seen Euro USD move 50-60 pips.
yeah, we want
we
to
don't want to miss out, but we also don't want to. The longer you're in a trade, one thing is that the more risk you're taking, because like I can probably tell you what I'm going to do in the next minute, but in the next 10 minutes something might come up, and that 10-minute plan might be thrown out the window when you get more new information.
Might be added on risk, and like you said, like if you're above 50% on your trades, then it's gonna be a winning strategy. And our goal, I think, is like eventually get up to like 70% winning trades. Because even at 70 to 80 consistently, that'll build up the portfolio. Like we already know there's gonna be losses incurred. I think we both accepted that over the past little while. So, yeah.
The sweetest thing is to get the core out, stress-free trading once it's just the runner. And honestly, I don't care if the runner gets hit or stopped out. It is what it is.
And now with a 30-minute closing like this, it's like what you said earlier too. You got clean traffic going down here. And this like line we have down here, it's relative to a level we have previously, which is basically the support. Oh, why is it lagging? Damn, I gotta close this earth thing, man. Yeah, there we go. So this is the support we have at this area on August 27th, 28th. So with that, we do expect it to continue down there. So yeah, no problem for the tips, man. That's why we're here anytime. Gold was close to my TP. It was very close.
Gold, you piece of crap.
Why is it a piece of crap, man? It's a beautiful thing.
I'm just debating if I should still hold on to it. Like,
oh, there goes my TP on core. Holy.
Nice.
So yeah, there we go.
Like just sell and reposition it.
Long term is bullish, man, but short term, yeah, I think.
Yeah, I mean, I almost feel like I want to buy it at around 19 again, since I'm still up. You know what? I'll just sell half of my half position. Great. So at least my commissions are somewhat cheaper. But yeah, I'm actually thinking maybe I'll go interactive. But the thing is, though, if I have to change my whole account to them and all that stuff, right? I think, ideally speaking,
yeah, guy at Euro, 50%.
Yeah. Oh, did it drop more?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
So now I have the other 50% going on this, and then I have my runner going on gold, and that's it for the day. Not bad, hey? Woke up late, traded for like an hour, waited until like 7:15 to put in a trade.
Yeah.
That was a good day.
Where did it hit? Did it go my price? 26 now.
Man, I think Roger's right about the waiting. We wait, we see the move, we see the breakdown. Cause like at first I was so close to going long on this trade.
Yeah.
Like when it was forming on gold, I wanted to go long so bad over here. But then I waited, and right when it broke here, I was like,
yeah.
That's a short.
Short. Name of the game.
Get the bag, y'all.
Yeah. Bag it up. Okay. I gotta go though. I gotta get ready.
Fair enough. Let me just end the stream, yo. I'm gonna end it there.
Alright, sounds good.
Yo, thanks, throwbacks. Thanks for
Yeah,
being a real one.
appreciate the love throwbacks, you know, always.
I'll make you a moderator probably coming up when we launch the site, social media. And I was thinking maybe even after Wix Don't Lie is done trading, just put our link in there. When he's like, "Alright, I'm gonna go," just toss our link. Come join us. Get some viewership for I guess the last hour or 2 hours, and then yeah, no, we'll probably make you a moderator. Keep it up. Thanks for tuning in again. Hope you enjoyed the trades too. That was good.
Yeah. Thanks everyone. Take care.